Welcome to TSS Associates Troubleshooting Guide for the Bosch Inverter Heat Pumps. Today, we'll show you how to diagnose an E9 or H0 error code and sensor verification for your M20 outdoor unit. Let's get started. If you are receiving an E9 or H0 error code from your Bosch M20 outdoor unit, you will need to locate the IC20 and IC14 EEPROM chips. The IC20 chip will be next to the LED display, and the IC14 chip will be next to the CN6 plug. Now, power off the unit. Once you have located the IC20 chip for an E9 error code, or the IC14 chip for an H0 error code, make sure the corresponding chip is correctly seated on the control board and there are no visible signs of burnout. If the corresponding chip is properly seated, turn the unit back on and check for normal operation. If the unit doesn't operate normally, replace the control board. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.